are still generating product descriptions manually, then it's time for a change. In just 2 clicks, I'm just going to generate the product descriptions for all of these products. I have product name, category, key features, target audience, tone, and the main benefit. And now using these details, automatically the product description will be generated and added right over here in this column. Yes, you can see the product description is generated and added right over here. And it is exactly the same, or you can say it aligns with the details which we have entered. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we are going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also generate product descriptions using Gemini. So let's get started. To do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free every month means that you can generate up to 100 of product descriptions for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using my amazing discount coupon code, and it is just for you. Over here, you're going to see all the plans, so you can choose the plan according to your own requirements. The 3,000 tasks every month, 10,000 tasks every month, or 20,000 tasks every month. It totally depends upon you. These are the lifetime plans. You pay once and automatically you don't have to pay any more time. You're going to get the task over here, and over here you're going to see all the features too. So let's get started now and learn how to create this automation. For that, we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Google Sheets. For the event, we have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. We have received the web URL, so just copy the web URL and open your Google Sheets. Let's just delete the product descriptions which were generated already right over here. Now let's just go on this extensions. You have to go on this add-ons and then towards this get add-ons. Now you have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and make sure to install this extension right over here. I have already installed this. After you install this, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. It is a very important step. After you do this, go on this extensions Pabbly Connect Webhooks and go on this initial setup. Once you click on this initial setup, you're going to see it is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column. So as you can see that this is the webhook URL and this is the trigger column which is F for me. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is F because I want to send only this 6 details towards my workflow. If you want to send 7 details or 8 details, it totally depends upon your trigger column and your spreadsheet, how many details which you want to send. So after entering the webhook URL and the trigger column, just click on the submit button right over here and it's saying setup configured successfully. This means that we have created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. But now we have to click on this send test button in order to capture the test data. It is saying test data sent successfully. So it is saying it has sent this first row towards my workflow. So let me just open my workflow and I'm going to see yes, this first row response is captured right over here. Now we are good to go. Okay, so as you can see, we have captured the response for the first row. So we're just going to generate the product description of this first, and then we're going to learn how we can generate for all of these too. So what we're going to do is click on this add new action step. Now for the action application, search for Gemini and select the same. For the event, select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, go on this Google AI Studio. Once you come on this Google AI Studio, what you have to do, From the left hand of the side, you have to go on this Get API Key section and then click on this Create API Key button. You have to name your key, select the project and click on this Create Key button. Your key will be created. Then you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste the key, you have to click on the Save and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to go on the Select Existing Connection and then Save, and now my Gemini is connected. Now it is asking me for the text, which is the prompt, so I'm just going to simply copy the prompt from my previous workflow. If you also want this amazing prompt, you're going to get the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can directly copy the prompt from there and use it for your own business too. Okay, so as you can see right over here, I'm just going to correct the formatting of this prompt first, and we're just going to enter the details using which we are going to generate the product description. So the details will be product information like category, key features, target audience, tone and the main benefit. As you can see, these details are exactly the same which we have right over here, which is the product name, then the category, then the key features and then the target audience. So let's enter the details one by one, but we're not going to enter the details manually over here, but instead we are just going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one I'm just going to map the details over here, but first let me just correct the formatting of this prompt, and over here I'll just let you know that I'm not going to enter the whole prompt in mapping format because the prompt will remain same, right? Only the few details will change, and those are the details which we receive from the response of a Google Sheet, so we're going to map that only. Okay, so in order to map these details, you have to put a slash, then search for the details and map it one by one like this. So I'm just going to map the product name, then I'm just going to map the category, then let's just search for key features, then let's just map this target audience. Now let's just move in further, put a slash, search for tone, map the tone right over here. So using these details only, it is going to generate me the main product description, and these are going to change with every new response because we have mapped it. After mapping this, you have to select the model of your choice, select the method as generate content and click on this Save and Send Test Request. After you click on the Save and Send Test Request, it is going to generate you the product description right over here. You just have to wait till it is going to generate you the product description. So as you can see that over here we have successfully generated the product description, but you can notice that it has the stars. So if you want, you can simply edit your prompt like do not include the stars. Okay, now let's just click on the Save and Send Test Request once again. So over here you can simply check the response and update your prompt according to that, or you can also enter do not include any useless symbols or something like that. So as you can see that we have successfully received this response. Now once again it has the stars, so I'm just going to mention do not include any useless symbols right over here like this. Okay, so I'm just going to simply enter this prompt, and now let's just click on the Save and Send Test Request. Let's see that it is going to replace the stars or not. So you can simply update the prompts like this to get the perfect result. So as you can see that we have successfully received the perfect result right over here. Now let's just add this in our Google Sheets. For that, click on this Add New Action step. For the action application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, select it as Update Cell Value, and then click on this Connect. Now if you've already created a connection, then click on this Select Existing Connection and then Save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on Add a New Connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to connect your sheets, and then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this Allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. We just have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So the name of my spreadsheet is AI Product Description Generator. So I've selected the same. Now I have to select the sheet right over here and then enter the range and the value. So over here what we have to do, we have to enter the column name plus the row index. Okay, so for the column name, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply update the column name, which is G2, and over here G is column and 2 is the row index. But as you can see that right now this range is G2, which needs to be updated, but with every new response it is going to change, right? It will be G3, G4, G5, G6, G7 and so on. So what is going to happen is this G will remain same, only the number, which is the row, is changing. So I'm just going to keep this column name as static but map the row index right over here because it is going to change. Now for the value, put a slash and simply map what Gemini generated and click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added this in our Google Sheets, and you're going to see yes, the description is added right over here in our Google Sheets. But now I don't want to create this for only a single product but for all. So what we're just going to do is you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Now all of this data will be sent towards your workflow and the description for the same will be generated and added right over here. Further, make sure to switch on this button too, which is send on event. It is really important because what is going to happen is whenever you're going to add the new product details, instantly the description for that will also be generated when you switch on this button. Okay, so go and try this amazing automation yourself because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Don't forget that the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.